Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haleigh and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do winged eyeliner for beginners or just if you're having some trouble. This is a really easy way to do it. Yes, so if you want to see how to do perfect winged eyeliner, then please keep watching. So we're going to go ahead and start in with the eyeliner. The rest of my makeup is done, so all I have left to do is my eyeliner and mascara. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. So this is going to sound super excessive, but I need to go buy a new eyeliner. So I use 3 different eyeliners. I use a Wet n Wild eyeliner, a LA Colors eyeliner, and an Essence 2-in-1 eyeliner pen. And basically I use all these for something or other while I'm doing my eyeliner. So what I used to do when I was doing my eyeliner was I would pull my eye and then I would like kind of fix the makeup on the side there, but you don't want to do that because it's going to cause wrinkles and then you're going to look old when you're like 29. So you don't want to pull your eye. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do my winged eyeliner. Super easy and really quick. So what you want to do is get like a little compact mirror. So I zoomed you guys in just a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So you want to hold the mirror right here, like right in front of your face, and then what you want to do is connect your bottom lash line to the wing. So you don't want your wing to be like way up here where it's going to look weird. So you want it to kind of look like it's an extension of the lower lash line. So we're just going to take the eyeliner and draw a wing like that. We're not going to do anything like super crazy with the wing today. So then what you're going to want to do is start like in the middle of your eyeball or eyelid, whatever. Eyeball. And you're going to want to start connecting. Those 2 lines like that. And then you can take the side of the pen, so like the underbelly of it, and start making your line across. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to a different eyeliner. I'm going to switch to the Essence 2-in-1 eyeliner pen, and we're going to go ahead and fill in that wing. Just like that. Just because I like a darker line and these are kind of dry, it's kind of a little bit patchy. So I'm going to take the LA Colors one now, which looks like this. It's really wet. And I'm just going to fill that in a little bit. Just like that. Now you have a perfect little wing. Both eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on so you can kind of see the full effect. Alright, so that is it. doing eyeliner is really hard at first, but it's literally just trial and error. You're talking to a girl who just really started wearing makeup the right way like 2 years ago, and I used to pull my eye and I used to fight, and I would like get so upset if my eyeliner turned out wrong. But at the end of the day, makeup is makeup. You can always take it off and try again. That's what I love about it. Winged eyeliner is really easy after a while. You just have to kind of get the hang of it. For example, right now mine aren't even at all. This one's a lot thicker than this one, but I couldn't get this one to get thick like this one. So you just gotta accept sometimes that your makeup's not gonna be perfect. It's fine. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys like me, if you guys like this video, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!